Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and environment. This saves time. First, make sure your phone has at least 20% charge and airplane mode is off. Next, check the router. Power LED should be steady. Confirm the SSID name so you connect to the right network. Then toggle Wi-Fi off and on. If the network keeps failing, forget the network and remove stored credentials. Doing these steps isolates simple causes before deeper fixes, so you don't chase unrelated problems. Once done with basic checks, dig into network settings to find configuration issues. Open Wi-Fi advanced options and confirm IP is set to DHCP unless you need a static address. Renew or release the IP to force a fresh lease. Try connecting to a different hotspot or a phone hotspot to determine if the issue is the router versus the phone. Make sure Android system updates are installed and clear the Wi-Fi service cache to remove corrupted temporary files that block connections. To finish, perform decisive resets and hardware checks to eliminate persistent faults. First, reboot the router and apply firmware updates. If interference persists, try switching between 2, 4 and 5 GHz bands so the phone can find a stable channel. On the phone, use the built-in option to reset network settings. This removes saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and VPN entries, so backup passwords. If problems continue, boot your phone in safe mode to rule out third-party apps. That single test quickly identifies app conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.